Hello and welcome to learning HTML5 and CSS3. HTML5 stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's the latest version of HTML, and CSS3 is also the latest version of what we call cascading style sheet. Yes, languages have versions just as software and hardware do, and HTML5 was released in 2014 along with CSS3, and it changed everything about web design or web development. And with HTML5, there are a whole lot of new and cool things that you could do that we'll be learning together. And let's get you started on what you would learn from this course. We'll be getting started to make great looking websites from scratch. And in the process, you can learn about formatting, creating lists, a document structure of how the HTML page is constructed, about divisions and sections. You also learn to create cool forms and input. Straight away take a forms input and send it over to your email. Learn to add audio and video, make use of more HTML features like geolocation. Then you can make your sites mobile responsive by integrating Bootstrap. You can also learn about gradients, drawing SVG, and canvas. You can edit website templates and know where to find free website templates. Learn about professional and aesthetically clean CSS while we walk you through how CSS is written. It's also important to learn what not to write or what's not a best practice. At the same time, understand what is a best practice so you can implement or write the most readable code. So your website is always reliable. And you learn about CSS fonts, colors, lists, inline blocks, and a whole lot of other elements. Overall, we'll make sure you get comfortable with reading CSS examples, finding them in the hour of need, and more so writing them. As you get started, you'll want to do so much more. We understand that you'd want to share your website. You might also want to help out a friend solve a problem, or you might want to start to feel creative about being able to build things and perhaps also make a lot of money. So let's get you on that path by learning to host your site. We'll publish your site maybe on GoDaddy. We'll cover something like a hosting provider. We also are going to cover on how to add and find and add free images and videos. We also have an introductory section on introducing you to Git, where you can build your own developer profile, how to use Stack Overflow, how to find errors, help for errors that you run into, and how to debug them. And who knows, in the process you might even get hired by employers if that's your objective. And we also teach you how to use multiple integrated development environments. It's called IDE, and host of other free online tools. And it doesn't end there. This is a value course that gives you a lot more of your time. You can get free website templates on GNU public license. You can know all the places where you get free resources and help along the course. We also shared a lot of references and ebook materials, so you can learn to code independently, build your own websites along the way, and have a lot of fun in the process. Like we said, this course is for new programmers, and we believe you're getting started, and we'd like to make this course free. And we also are starting out and want to build our students and community. Although we've been teaching for a decade, this is the first time we're going digital and first time on Udemy. Hence we're going to try to make this course of quality and a lot of value, as we're really passionate about training. So we believe you'll have a lot of fun as much as we do, or not, if not more, and we hope you get to learn a lot. All right, let's get started.